Welcome back to another video. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the best gardening tips. In today's video, we'll be talking about the plants you can grow in October. This month is perfect for planting many types of vegetables, and I'll be sharing the top 10 choices for your garden plants to grow in October. White onions are perfect for fall planting as they will develop strong roots and be ready for harvest next year. Red onions, like white onions, can also be planted in October to establish roots before winter. Leeks thrive in cooler weather and will grow well throughout the autumn season. Spinach germinates quickly and provides a rich source of vitamins during the colder months. Lettuce is ideal for fall planting as it prefers cooler temperatures and can survive until the first frost. Swiss chard is resistant to the cold and grows quickly, making it ready for harvest during winter. Radishes grow fast, and you can start harvesting them in just a few weeks. Parsley planted in October will give you a fresh supply of herbs even during winter. Carrots, although slower to germinate, will reward you with a good harvest next year. Fava beans are a great choice for October planting, as they are hardy and grow quickly in the cold. So, these are the plants you can grow in October to prepare your garden for a fruitful winter and spring. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends on social media.